You're looking at a typical home ventilation duct. There are dozens of these little tunnels running through most houses. They carry heated or cooled air throughout your house, directing air here and there and making us comfortable for years and years. Now, imagine for a moment what's inside them. Nothing, you might think. All that's in there is air? Well, simple air is what's supposed to be in there. But in fact, what has been trapped, grown, nested, scampered, reproduced, defecated, and just sucked inside here, well, you have to see this for yourself. So try this very interesting test at home. Put a small camera or flashlight right inside here, the air ducts, and look, or snap. Prepare to see what's in there. Dirt, fungus, bacterial growth, pet hair, varmint droppings, mold. These are the things that go through air ducts, along with filtered air, of course. So it's really a good idea to clean these ducts out every few years, for a whole host of reasons.
Everybody should always clean their air ducts at least once, because during the original construction of your home, there's drywall, sawdust, nails, all kinds of trash left over for construction that can get down into your air ducts. And then over a period of years, dirt and dust wraps around that. People have the mistaken notion that when they move into a new home, that it's actually been cleaned. In reality, they may clean your carpeting, your windows, your walls, but the dirtiest part of the home is your air ducts. And that's the part that gets neglected. So unless you specifically have requested that your air ducts get clean, then chances are they're dirty. So at the very least, you should clean them once. And then after that, it depends on personal preference. It depends on your needs, whether you have pets with pet hair, whether you live in a dusty outdoor environment, whether you have people with allergy or asthma in your home that need a cleaner environment. But on average, people clean their home's air ducts every 3 to 5 years.
I've been waiting for something to happen, for a week or a month or a year.
It's really a rather sophisticated process, utilizing negative air pressure, high-powered vacuums, and agitation tools to remove contaminants, particulates, and other things that you don't want to breathe. By attaching a high-powered vacuum, you create negative air pressure within the duct system. Why? Well, it collects all the bad stuff and keeps it from blowing back into your home. On the other hand, why spend the money? No one ever looks in the ducts. Let them stay dirty. Leave well enough alone.
Many people ask, why should I have the air ducts cleaned in my home? People pay a lot of money for their heating and air conditioning equipment. People want to protect the life of it. You want it to last a long time. You want it to work the way it worked when you first bought it. Proper cleaning of a system will protect the life of it, and it will allow you to have energy efficiency from that system. It also, in many cases, can improve the indoor air quality in your home and make it a healthier environment to live in. It also reduces dust in the home, so maybe you don't have to clean as often. There's a lot of benefits to having your heating and air conditioning system properly cleaned.
These little air ducts are truly the unsung heroes of our homes. You never see them. You never hear from them. They almost never break or cost you anything. With a little maintenance every few years, they'll last a lifetime, saving you money on energy as well, because they'll be more efficient when clean. Is there anything else at all in your house that you can say this about?